pickup trucks aren't just for hauling lumber anymore. That will completely change how you use your truck. From luxury camping setups to insane power upgrades, these innovations will blow your mind. Let's dive in. Before we dive deeper, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful content. 1. The ultra-strong Centurion Canopy. The Centurion Canopy is built like a tank, made from aircraft-grade aluminum instead of flimsy plastic or fiberglass. This beast can handle 600 kilograms of static weight. Imagine strapping a small car to your truck bed. The smart design includes hidden security latches and 360-degree access, making it perfect for contractors and adventurers. Just be ready to drop at least $7,180 for this premium upgrade. 2. Dump Truck Conversion Kit. Ever wished your pickup could dump loads like a real dump truck? The Dumper Dog system makes it happen, lifting your bed a full 45 degrees with a remote control. It supports over 2,700 kilograms, and there's even an optional salt spreader attachment for winter road maintenance. At $5,276, it's cheaper than buying a whole new dump truck. 3. Jet-Powered Madness. This one's for the thrill seekers. A crazy custom Ford F-150 packs a massive jet engine, producing an insane 2,700 horsepower. There's just one catch. It burns 19 liters of fuel per minute. Totally impractical. Absolutely, unbelievably cool. You bet. 4. Solar-Powered Truck Bed. The WKSP system turns your pickup into a mobile power station with solar panels that fold out from the bed. It stores enough energy to run tools, lights, or even a small campsite, while also improving aerodynamics to save fuel. Perfect for off-grid living or job sites without electricity. 5. Luxury Mobile Home Conversion. Why stay in a hotel when your truck can be a rolling mansion? The Rossminster Baja transforms a Ford F-350 into a luxury RV, complete with a shower, kitchen, and sleeping space for 4. The price tag? A whopping $380,000, but for that, you get 5-star comfort anywhere you park. 6. Glow-in-the-dark Bed Ladder. Climbing in and out of your truck bed just got easier and safer. The Torquell ladder has steps that glow for up to 10 hours after just 5 minutes in sunlight. At $75, it's one of the most affordable and coolest upgrades on this list. 7. The Ultimate Overlanding Tent. The Yakima Skyrise HD isn't just a rooftop tent. It's a full-blown adventure hub. This rugged 3-person shelter sets up in under 5 minutes and converts your truck into a base camp with enough headroom to stand upright. The reinforced aluminum frame can support 300 kilograms, so you can mount kayaks or bikes underneath when folded. At $3,200, it's the Swiss Army knife of truck camping gear. From beer dispensers to jet engines, these inventions prove that pickup trucks can do just about anything. Which one would you add to your ride? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome tech and automotive content. Thanks for watching.